Today, it's a special episode. We hit 1,000 subscribers, which is awesome, and I couldn't have done it without everyone's support. Sharing the videos, commenting, especially that Spotify video that did really well. It's just been an awesome thing to get to this point, and I'm really excited about the potential for the channel and about where things are heading. I wanted to start a tradition right now at this first milestone of giving back to my community. So this video is a bit of a special one. I'm going to be designing some wallpapers that I'm giving away for free. And then at the end, I'll show you where you can download those wallpapers and where you can go to in the future when we hit other milestones to download even more wallpapers. I want to just grow out a collection of awesome, cool, modern wallpapers that we all get to have thanks to the support of the community. So enjoy the video, stay to the end to find out some more about where to get it, and thank y'all. I just, that's all I can say is just thank you. I think we've got some great things on the horizon, but for now, enjoy the video. All right. Well, thank you everybody from the bottom of my heart once again. I'm super excited about what the future holds. If you like the wallpapers and want to get them for yourselves, you can find them at maxmckinney.com/supporters. The link is also in the description. They're designed for mobile, but if you want to get creative and use them elsewhere, feel free. But for now, this is our first set of wallpapers, and I'm looking forward to hitting more milestones with y'all. I'll see you next time.